Hi, Prolong here. Today we want to show you the bike maintenance for my son's bike. We just got back from a ride, and it's a good practice to clean the chain after each ride. This is the Rock and Roll, the King of Lube kit. It's a complete kit I got from Amazon. So in the box, it has a 16-ounce bottle and it also comes with 2 small bottles that you can use to apply the lube to the chain. To get the best result, you want to shake it a little bit to mix the oil and the lube before you apply it to the chains. I like to set up the bike with a little bit tilt, so when you apply the lube, it doesn't get on the rear wheel, as well as you want to put newspaper below it, so when the lube drips, it doesn't get on the ground. Okay, so we'll show you how to apply the lube. So you first set up the lube right behind the front derailleur, and then you want to roll it slowly just to make sure all the lube gets to each chain. You want to turn it a couple rounds just to make sure it gets fully lubed. After the lube is applied to the chain, you want to turn the wheel backwards, so you fully let the lube gets into the chain and get the dirt out. So we like to do it about 30 rolls. Okay, so after you roll the chain 30 times, we like to use the paper towel to clean the chain. Okay, so we fold the paper towel 3 times, and you like to rub it back and forth. You want to get the gunk and the dirt out from the chain. And I'll show you the paper towel. It's actually effectively removing the gunk and the dirt out from the chain. During your cleaning, I will also try to clean the gear. This also removes the buildups from your rides. While you're cleaning the chain, you can also clean the small gear in the back. So you can continue to turn and then get the gunk out. And also this one in the back. I like to do this maybe 2 to 3 times. After you clean it, you can check the paper to see there's not too much gunk left. Regular maintenance can improve performance as well as reduce the prices on the road. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you.